How to transfer USDT from BYBIT to Binance. Hi everyone, in this video we will show you exactly how to transfer USDT from BYBIT to Binance. Once you're logged into your BYBIT account, go to the Assets section and select Spot Account. You will see a list of all the coins listed on the exchange. USDT should be near the top of the list, but you can find it in the search bar if you don't spot it immediately. Select the deposit option next to USDT. Now you need to send USDT from Binance to BYBIT through the Tron blockchain, TRC20, since it is one of the fastest and cheapest ways to transfer crypto. Then select TRC20 under chain type. After selecting TRC20, the interface will display a QR code as well as a plain text address. It doesn't matter which one you use, simply choose the option that's the most convenient for you. In our example, we will be using the plain text address starting with T**. When depositing USDT to BYBIT via the Tron network, you must use this exact address. Also, make sure that you are sending the correct cryptocurrency to the address. If you send a cryptocurrency other than Tron-based USDT to this address, your deposit will not be credited and you could end up losing your funds. Make sure to read the important section on the right side of the deposit window. Note that we have selected auto channel deposits to our spot account, which simply means that the funds will be transferred to spot account instead of any other BYBIT account type. Make sure that you selected the correct type of token standard, which is TRC20 in our case. TRC20 is the standard used for tokens like USDT that are issued on top of the Tron network. Copy the address provided by BYBIT, the USDT wallet address field, and you can also check out the link given in the description for some extra help. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.